The recipe for Nin Jom Pei Pa Kao has not changed since it was first concocted in the 1600s. Yet the sweet Chinese cough syrup, which has the colour and consistency of mud, is enjoying a renewed surge in popularity. Sales rose by almost a third between 2019 and 2024. Those coughing up for the syrup are not just in China, but increasingly in the West too. Pei Pa Kao, as it's known, can now be found in more than 20 countries. Western celebrities have espoused Pei Pa Kao's benefits.
Concoct together plus cook. She concocted a splendid meal from the leftovers. 그녀는 남은 음식으로 훌륭한 한 끼를 만들어내었다. She concocted an elaborate excuse. 정교한 변명을 꾸며냈다. 변명을 지어내다 cook up, make up, concoct.